Hey guys, Ashley here with the Williams team at Keller Williams Realty. Today I wanted to talk to you about a question that I get asked all the time. How much money do I need to actually buy a home? And that's a great question. So really and truly, we talk about 100% finance options all the time. And yes, there are homes that qualify in our area for 100% financing. But what does that really mean? It doesn't mean that you get in a house for free. It means that the lender is not requiring you to put any money towards your mortgage. Okay, so the fees that you would traditionally need for your closing costs, right, which would be your lender fees, your title company fees, your taxes, and your escrow, you can actually roll that into your loan and finance it over the life of the loan instead of putting it down like you would a conventional or FHA or even VA loan. Okay, so it's a loan program that, yes, it's 100% financing. It just means that you're not coming out of pocket at the front end, but you are going to finance those fees that are applicable for every transaction during the life of your loan. Okay, so you're saving that money up front. If you don't go with that loan option, so that 100% rural development program, and you go with another option like conventional loan, FHA, VA, you are going to be looking at putting down between 1 and 3% of the sales price. And that's really going to depend on your credit and your income and your situation. So it is a little different for each person, but it was rule of thumb between 1 and 3%. With VA, some of that you can finance. Gone are the days where you have to put down 20%. Now, you still would need to if you wanted to get rid of that PMI insurance, but you don't have to, okay? So to get in a home, you need either to do the 100% finance option or between 1 and 3% of the sales price. Now, that's talking about mortgage only. When we actually get you under contract, right? We find the house that you love or under contract, how much cash flow are you going to need for that? Because there is cost involved. And so let's be real. Let's talk about that. What does it look like? First and foremost, you're going to have some funds for your inspection. Now, the cost of the inspection is going to vary depending on the size of the home. So if it's bigger, it's going to cost a little bit more. If it's smaller, a little bit less. But rule of thumb, between $300 and $400 about is what you can estimate for your inspections. Now, that is general inspection only. If you are interested in purchasing a home that has a pool, you're going to want to pay for a pool inspector to come out separately. That's probably going to run you close to around $250 to $300 for that. If you're buying an older home or a home on the South Shore or a home even on the North Shore that has a lot of oak trees in the yard, I'm going to recommend that you get a video plumbing inspection. And again, that's going to be between $200 and $300. Seems to be the norm, right? So yes, you will first and foremost need an inspection. If you just do the one general, somewhere between $300 and $400. You can add on additional inspections if you choose. Didn't talk about termite inspection. If you use, depending on which inspector you go with, some of those are included, but if not, and you're just hiring a company to come out and certify that there's no active termites or any wood destroying insects present, that's going to run you about $90. What else? What other money do I need, Ashley? You need money for appraisals. So appraisals, again, are going to kind of vary, but generally between $400 and $450 is what you're looking at for appraisals. Anything else? Yeah, you do need money for deposit. Okay, so when we do write an offer, we are going to submit with that a deposit. Is it required? No, but a seller does expect it. And generally that's about 1% of the sales price. Kind of mirrors and matches that. Yes, they can be for more. Yes, they can be for less, but rule of thumb is they're about 1% of the sales price. So as a whole, that's about what you need. So around $1,500, depending on what inspections you end up doing after we find the home and get you under contract. Prior to that, what will you need to qualify for a mortgage is really going to depend on the loan option you go with, and then your financial situation, your credit, your income, your debts. So if you want to explore what that looks like for you, please give me a call, 985-705-5160. I'd love to connect you with my lender partner, see where you're at, what that looks like, how much you would need, and what loan options you would qualify for. Okay? Hope to hear from you soon. Y'all have a great day.